All right, we are back. I got the man Samir back in the house. Always a good time to see Samir. How you doing, man?
Hello, hello, guys. I'm good. What about you, Dave? And what about you, chat?
I'm
How are you
good. I'm
doing
good.
today?
I see you guys had a major event in India. I didn't catch it. I found out about it after. Was it the 15th? Is it was
Yeah,
it Independence Day? What was going on there? I saw you had a huge live event.
yeah. It was Independence Day,
Nice.
and founder Gil gave us a very, warm greeting to Indian audience. That was really good. So event went well, and now we
Okay.
are trading the markets. Back to
Yes,
the
sir.
charts.
We're back. We're back. We're back. That's good.
All right. Let's see what market is doing today. Okay, US 30 fell a lot. Not a lot, but still quite a decent amount of move I'm seeing.
Let's see. Yeah, we're definitely pushing lower on the indices, and
Yeah, I think market opened here and we have fell more than like 200-ish points. So maybe we can fall a little bit more and maybe we can catch some kind of pullback or pullback and then again fall. So that is a story that we will make, or we will take confluence in note and we can see what the price can do. And yeah, in a meanwhile, let me check the chat and views because we are here. It's the fresh start of the week. And yeah, let's stay
indeed.
positive. Hopefully, everyone makes profit this week because we all love profits. That's what we are.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, indeed. Actually, I see a question here that I want to address. Midnight Audio, that's a funny name. Midnight Audio Books. Saying that he can't place trade on MNQ. Yes, we have an issue right now going on with Black Arrow, MNQ, and MES and MCL are not available. They're working on it. You could trade gold though. I don't have an ETA right now, but it should be resolved today. Let me just check right now what's going on. Okay, we don't have a I don't have an ETA, but they're definitely working to solve this issue right now. So FYI. Lavin saying it feels great to be back after 2 weeks. It's good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome back.
Hello,
Uh
hello, guys.
Harley saying hola, todo es en inglés. Sí, todo es en inglés. Hablo español, but everything is in English. So we need some Spanish speakers here.
Yeah.
It was
Actually, we are
funny. What
expanding
do you?
already.
By the way, I was stalking at your video the other day. What? I know you speak English, obviously, but what other languages do you speak? Because you were speaking something different. I'm not sure if it was Hindi or what it was.
Yeah. So it was a native language. It was Hindi, which is, I think, 70% of India speak Hindi. So it was
Okay.
Hindi.
Okay.
Hindi
Nice.
English mix. So
That's
yeah,
what I saw. I'm like, wait, what's going on? Because I understand some of it. I don't understand the rest. So definitely a mix. But I think everybody who speaks multiple languages throws in a little bit of English. I do that all the time
exactly.
as well. Some words, especially when it comes to trading, some words they just come out better.
Actually,
They
we
stay
understand. We can understand the trading language, even if
exactly,
it is in the other language.
exactly,
So even
exactly.
if we see somebody is trading and maybe he or she is speaking in a different language, still I think we will get the point what he or she is trying to make.
Definitely, definitely. Yeah, I think the English for when it comes to trading or certain things, it just rolls off the tongue
Yeah.
better. So definitely, definitely. Oh, what's up, Vishal? How you doing? How you doing? Esdras, nice. Esdras changed his name, so good. K Rizzy, welcome back.
I took short position and just exited. All
All
right,
right, we're
that's
short.
awesome. No, no,
Nice.
I'm just reading the comments. I took a long here,
Oh, okay.
so I'm targeting this area. But someone in the chat took short, and I'm assuming you caught this momentum, which was very beautiful. We just consolidated, and this was some kind of, resistance area. We broke below, and then continuation to the downside. Amazing move.
Nice.
That is nice. I think shorts also, yeah, short made sense, but I like this buying idea around this support. So I think we might can get that pullback. And I don't know, maybe we can fall again to the downside. Maybe we can fill the gap. That we will see. But right now, I do want to see that pullback. I'm just trading that pullback.
Okay, let's see. So wait, you want to pull back to the long side or?
Yeah, to the
Okay.
long side, I have taken a long here.
Oh, you're
I'm
already long.
assuming,
Okay, good, good, good. I
yeah.
thought you were waiting. Nice.
So I saw this inverted head and shoulder type of thing. So I thought, we can have some kind of pullback. So yeah,
Yeah.
very simple setup. On the support, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, little bit. So yeah, combining patterns with the support and resistance areas. That's what I trade.
That's it. That's it. I like it. Definitely an interesting area there on the NQ. Little gap reverting back from there. So we'll see. I like it. I like it. Let's see how long the bounce can last, or if we'll get continuation to the downside. Let me just. I'm taking a quick look at the dollar. Yeah,
Okay.
dollar pushing lower. All right, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I see we got a good fan here, Marcela, saying you guys look so
Yeah,
sexy.
I saw that comment.
Thank you, Marcela. We appreciate it. We appreciate it. All right. Vishal, yes, we do understand charts.
Can we trade in TV? It's Black Arrow, isn't it?
Yes, we trade using Black Arrow. We use TradingView to do chart analysis a lot. Both Samir and I and everybody else.
Yeah.
So, we're analyzing trades there, but we execute on Black Arrow. I do some chart analysis on Black Arrow as well. But yeah. Now I hear my doorbell ringing. It's going to be a full house soon. So let's see, let's see, let's see. All right, we got everybody in the house. We got Alejandra, we got Caesar. Well, we only have half of Caesar's face,
Oh,
but
wait.
he's here.
Buenos dias, good morning.
How you doing? How you
Good
doing?
morning,
Oh man,
Morning.
guys,
guys.
what is going on? I'm the only one with a white shirt. Everybody has a black shirt. Uh-oh.
You did not get
Great.
the memo today.
I did not get the memo. What's going on? I'm not the black sheep. I'm the
Yeah, you
white
had
sheep
out
today.
of the crew today.
Uh-oh. What's going on?
I don't know. I don't know.
How you guys been?
Good, good, man. Good. Bro, it's good day.
Nice.
Good weekend. A lot of moving around, hopping from state to state. Exhausted, but good.
I'm about to call you a passport, bro.
Well, I mean, I have multiple, but
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
yeah, I do
Uh-oh.
travel quite a bit. I do travel quite a bit. I mean,
Okay.
my second home is either airports or cars.
Nice.
Which more so on the airport side, but yeah, it's yeah, it's a busy. I be having some busy months of like either I'm jumping from state to state or country to country. So
That's a good problem to
good problem
have.
to have. I will say it's a good problem to have for sure.
I like it. I like it. How about you, Alejandra? I know you were busy. You had the party. How did that go?
Yeah,
Most
so I was pretty much working the whole event.
Oh wow.
I like barely got to enjoy it. I mean, I expected for me to do that, and
Yeah, of
all I
course.
wanted was for my sister to enjoy her party. And she did. I performed not that well because
Oh wait, I thought you were about to say I performed at the party. I'm like, wait, what
I
instrument do you
did.
she
play?
did. She
I
did.
did.
Oh, okay.
I did. I did a 2 minute salsa performance. Well, it was
Nice.
bachata and then salsa. Um,
What?
and yeah, so I don't know what happened. Some drama happened that I don't know if you guys know salsa, but I think Dave, you know salsa.
A
When
little
you
bit.
have your partner, like you have to be connected to your partner, and I didn't feel
Uh-huh.
connected. And
Yeah.
Uh,
something happened, like the second move, the second like routine, I
Hmm.
just completely like blanked out. I was everybody was like this, no joke. Like on like lined up on the front stage, and I don't know, I got like stage fright or something. So I messed up
Okay.
on like, the easiest move, and I quickly just had to snap out of it. And I just went for it, and I just kept going. And
Nice. Yeah, the
yeah,
show must go on. I mean,
yeah, the show must
it
go on.
blame it on your partner because in salsa the guy's supposed to lead. So if you're
Yeah.
not
Totally,
following through, it's the guy's
totally.
fault. Blame it on the guy.
And then
Yep.
he'll say, "Oh, you just make it hard for me to lead you," and I'm like, "No."
Well, well, I'll tell you what my salsa teacher says. He's always like, "Hey, in the salsa for 1 hour, ladies, you guys need to comply. All right." He's the
Yeah.
boss, so I don't know. Maybe some ladies forget. I'm sure you didn't, but some ladies forget that they need to submit and just
Yeah.
allow. Don't fight my arm. I'm trying to make you turn. This is not a boxing match.
Right. No. I don't think it was like
I
that,
know.
but
Ali looks like she might be a little difficult
I know.
to control them. But like, listen, you're gonna have to follow me real quick. She's on that like, I don't know, dude. Do you have IG?
Yeah.
yeah.
You should have seen her. She was a showstopper, bruh.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Had the
No.
hair back and all with the blue top and dress, bro, with the slit.
What? I
Hold
gotta
on.
check
Let
it
me
out. I
see.
gotta check it out.
Watch out, bro. It's like a complete judgment. I had to take a double take. I'm like, wait. I'm like, is that?
Whoa. Okay.
This was my performance outfit.
What? I didn't know you were gonna do a whole performance and
Yeah,
everything.
bro. Yo, she was
This is
practicing for
real
like
deal.
3
Look at
weeks.
Samir being quiet in the back, just listening
Like,
to us.
I'm just observing you guys.
Um, I'm trying to
Anyways,
log on to my
but
stuff.
all in good fun. All in good fun. Oh man, K Rizzy's funny. He's like, I like salsa verde. All right.
Caesar,
Let
I'm mad at you now. How can you say that I'm not a good submitter?
you want to go take a look in the mirror and then be mad at me?
Damn,
Yeah,
like that,
yeah,
huh?
yeah. I mean, listen. I was like, Ali. I was like, I would say like, it's like you come off as like when you have a thought or like you want to do something. It's like there's no stopping you, and it's like, and if you, yeah, I don't think just based on certain things that you'll submit very quickly.
there you
Yeah.
Uh,
go.
so yeah. So I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. You come off a little, on the independent side, which is good. I mean, look at you. You're a go-getter. Most
That-
individuals that are go-getters, that are like entrepreneurs, it's very difficult for them to like, relinquish control. Let's just, well, I'll change the term to relinquish control.
Indeed. I'm married to one, so yeah, I know.
Yeah, but I mean, I totally agree. At the same time, I think if you
We're
have
gonna blame it on the guy though. No, for sure. We're gonna blame it on the guy because you
Of
know what I'm
course.
saying. Yeah, we're gonna
Thousand
blame it
percent.
on.
Thanks, that makes me feel better. No, I mean, so even in relationships, right? Like if you have a strong, independent woman, the man should allow, yeah, the man should like allow to, how can I say it? The man should provide an environment where the woman can submit.
Yes.
That was
Yeah,
what I
that's
was
true.
trying to say.
I mean, I think there needs to be a healthy balance, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Um,
Yeah, for
so
sure.
all good. But when you're dancing salsa, you gotta
And
submit.
you gotta let him take over. You gotta let him do the moves. You gotta let him twirl you around. Maybe dip you and stuff like that. But
Yeah, I'll send you guys the video performance on WhatsApp so you guys can see.
Nice. I'm looking forward to that. Look at Samir smiling and being quiet in the back, secretly making
Samir, I
profits while we're
haven't
just
seen you in a
talking.
while.
Yeah, it has
Where have you
been
been?
He's been taking
actually I come
over
on.
India by himself.
Damn.
what? Without us?
You are included already. Futures gang is
Oh,
here already.
That's it.
So we are trying to work on CFD futures. There is also Trade the Pool. So these three companies, parent companies of the Fiverr. So yeah, we are working with everything. We are trying to establish everything in India. So yeah,
that's
everyone
awesome.
is working on that.
Ooh, and with the massive with the massive population that India has, oh my goodness.
Are we not showing the charts? Oh,
Yeah,
no.
we're looking at Samir's chart right now. Whenever you guys share your screen, we can take a look. By the way, there's a little glitch going on right
Let's.
now with Black Arrow. We can't trade the MNQ nor the MES.
Why?
Um, huh?
Why?
I don't
They
know.
stable.
Technical glitch on the Black Arrow side. I know the team's been working on it for a while now. So I will let you guys know when it's back on. We can gold is available, so we'll see. Moment of silence.
Well, I'm having a hard time logging on. Also, I'm getting a new Wi-Fi this week, so if I log off, that means my hotspot kicked me out.
Okay.
Anyone is trading gold today, or any interesting opportunity on gold?
So I could
You
give
guys
my
see?
take.
Yeah, let me
Yeah.
listen to your take so I can load my charts.
All right. So zooming back, way back out on gold. I had my long trend line here from the highs. Just talked about that on the pre-market prep. We found the base. We pushed higher. We broke this area here where I thought we might get a pullback based on the previous trend line and the fact that we were nearing this pocket of resistance here. You guys know that I look at both horizontal and trend lines, and the intersections is where I kind of want to take the plays. And then here we had a cluster right here where I had my blue line just around 4,500, which aligned with the trend line. And that's where we've seen a little bit of hesitation. So if we're not able to get follow through, let's just zoom in, look at maybe a 15-minute chart. If we're not able to get follow through to the upside, let's look at the shorts first. So what I would say is, since we had mostly sideways action throughout Asia and London, of course, we had that initial opening drive here. We broke to the downside. Now we are retesting the low. So as long as we could stay below this area, so call it below 44.50, I think you could consider a short risking those prior highs for a continuation to the downside to go retest that low, and even possibly where I have my support here at 44.10, which is about 30-40 points from where we are now. That would be the bearish case, right? We consolidated sideways, broke the lows, retested. We're retesting now. So, you know, once the market opens, maybe that's where you want to kind of consider entering short if it makes sense to you. Now, if that doesn't work out, then let's look at the bullish case. That would be an immediate recovery where we push higher, go test these highs, maybe pull back above VWAP, and then form somewhat of a bullish structure to go retest these highs. So we'll see if that happens once we open. So far, I'm 60-40, so 60 bearish, 40 bullish, but that might change. And then what we don't want is another scenario like this where we continue to move sideways and don't find direction. Unless that happens, kind of what happened there at the open, where we kind of go up and down, up and down, up and down, don't really find direction until maybe noon. And that's where we kind of break down and continue to the downside. So we'll see. But I say as long as we stay below 44.50, then I think you could possibly aim for the downside. If we are able to push higher and reconquer this, then I would be looking for longs. So my, inflection area is around 444 and 450. So that's my take on gold. So we'll see
I
what
feel,
happens.
I feel like I haven't looked at the charts in so long.
Yeah, it's been forever. It's been 2 days. Weren't you trading Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been 2 days. It's been a long 2 days.
It's been a long day. Well, I
Indeed,
don't know.
indeed.
Maybe because like I've just been so busy with the party and everything that
Yeah,
it feels like a long time.
had a lot going on. All right, trade with Marcela saying go girl. All right. I like Marcela. Marcela was like, man, you guys are looking so handsome. Thank you. I
Okay.
like it. I like it. I like Marcela. Marcela, I
Where's
just want to give you hub credits just for the comments.
wow. Okay. Where's
Don't
my
have
Marcelo?
your Marcelo. She just said go girl. She's on your team. Trade with
Yeah.
Saki, welcome back. Amin, bonjour, bonjour, welcome back. So let's see. What are you guys looking at? What do you see?
I'm still in the trade that Nasdaq longs. So
Yep.
let's see how it is gonna go. And the market is about to open in 8 minutes. So I think I will reduce this risk. Maybe I'll just like close my half of the position I have. So yeah, let's see. 8 minutes left. Let's draw a couple of scenarios on US 30. What we can see in today's NYSE session. Going to the daily time frame, definitely we are very close to this resistance. Maybe it can turn as a support. Trend is already established. Can we retest and can we continue higher? For that, we will see. But today we still have a range. Even if it continues to the downside, we still have a range to short. Let's see. Yeah, it is still 200 points. Even if we catch like 100ish points, I think that will be not a problem. Okay, let me adjust my camera. Okay. So going to the hourly, let me remove this. Actually, this is not impulsive nature. This, so it can also break and again break back in. If we see a impulsive nature and retest, then that will be a different story. I don't like this nature here because this is some kind of corrective nature. After the impulse, it didn't really follow through with the impulse. It is just giving a corrective type of nature. So I do think we can go higher, but for that I think we can take some kind of liquidity. We can maybe test this area or maybe this wick. Let me mark this area. Okay, but we are still we are away from that area. So I would like to see NYSE maybe liquidity wick and then some kind of closure above this trend line. So that will support this bias that I have, that price is in a corrective nature, and something like this my trade will look like. I can put 200 EMA that I like to use in these kind of scenarios. Let me see what 200 EMA is doing on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, we are away from the 200 EMA, so this is a good sign for me. So once little bit of push to the downside, where will I like to enter my trade? I think right here, right at this area I will like to take longs. Of course it is now, it is far away, but that is the highest quality area. I cannot really, I don't want to long here because we still have the potential to continue to the downside. So this is the trade idea number one for me, where I will be getting longs around this area. But what if we pushed higher, maybe somewhere around this area, and then again continuation to the downside? That also can be a play for today. So I will be only keeping these two scenarios in my mind, either shorts around this area or longs around this area, keeping my stop loss a little bit wide. I don't care about even 100 point stop loss, 150 points. So I just want to catch that 1 to 1. I just want to make sure I am right on the direction part, and rest stop loss placement I can keep it space, maybe 150 here, something like this, or something like this. I think 150 will be fine in today's range. So these two trade ideas I will be looking. We are 4 minutes left for the market open. So yeah, let's see. These two trade ideas are making sense to me. So yeah, I like these two trade ideas. So let's see.
Let's see. I have good news. Sorry, guys. The MNQ is back on Black Arrow and the ES as well. So the issue has been resolved. So for
See
everybody
there.
who was asking, issue is resolved. So let's see. Let's see. That's your trade's looking good though,
Yep.
Samir. You're long.
All right, I'll just move it to break even. I don't wanna get caught in that big volatility when the NVS is gonna open.
There we go.
You're long, right,
Indeed.
Samir?
Yeah, I took a long around this. I saw this
I
here
meant
got
What do you
into
for
guys
head and
want?
shoulder.
NQ or gold?
It is NQ, Nasdaq.
Okay, I'm sure.
Caesar. Have you given us your
It's fine.
analysis?
What?
Have you given us your analysis?
No.
He's gonna make us beg for it.
No. For me, analysis on NQ, it gapped up on Sunday from Friday's close, ran up, took out the highs, and it's back below last week's daily high. So I'm looking
Maybe
for
you
shorts
can share
on the
your
gap
screen
fill.
Yeah,
for so that we can see the
Yeah.
you
charts.
can see what you see.
I don't know. I'm having trust issues over here.
Sincha, welcome back. Um,
All right. So here's NQ. I'm looking for shorts. We have a massive bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour. And you can see Friday's high. This was Friday's open. It's about to go below it. And down here, it gaps. So I'm expecting price to come back down here. If it can bounce, great. If it doesn't, I would be expecting price to go down under that weekly and possibly the prior low. So I'm looking for shorts. I'm gonna go short right at the market open.
Right at the
Okay.
market open? Wow.
Yep, you know me. You know me. I'm about this life. So yeah, so look at 1 hour, beautiful. This was a nice pop. I was looking for like 40, 50 to like really go in with size, but that was a good pop. But yeah, I like this.
Did
Or
we
did
go over economic data?
not yet,
none today.
but
None today.
yeah,
No,
exactly. There's nothing.
none today. But it's right here. Beautiful bounce. Yeah, let's go.
All
I'm
right.
ready to add once this thing gets under 210.
1 minute.
Yes, indeed. We have exactly 44 seconds to go before we open.
I was thinking short too, but I need to have a really good entry. So
Yeah, as usual, I'm gonna wait.
I wanted to see if it can go to 32.50 or 270.
Yeah, those would
32.
be nice areas. Those would be nice areas. Yeah.
32.
Oh, 270. Okay, I heard 32. I'm like, wait, what? We're doing 2,000 points today? Just sign me up. Let me just be on the right side. All right, we go. We are open.
Shorting at 245.
All right, TP is smashed for my longs.
There we go. Let's hype Samir up. Samir's like, that's what happens when
Oh,
you're
we are
constantly
tapping
making
that.
profits.
We're tapping that 200 EMA. So I think now
Nice
Caesar.
rejection. Let's go. Nice rejection. Come on.
Yeah, I think from this 200 EMA we already touched that
Let's go.
area. This is a
Beautiful
decent area.
liquidity grab. Let's go. ES is
Yeah,
plummeting. Come on.
let's
Come
talk
on
about
in.
US 30.
Back under 210.
Right, the 15. Let me put the 200 EMA. Yeah, this was a shorting area for me. Actually, I will
The video
I would like
rocketed.
to adjust it here. Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
see.
somewhere around there.
We're holding so far, pushing higher on NQ, up 0.37%.
I'm entering here, risking a buff.
All righty.
270.
Switching to your screen. What's up, Take Keith? What's up, Cowish? K Rizzy, try to reset your black arrow. Try to close it and reopen it. It gave me the same error, but when I closed and reopened it, it worked. So let me know. Let's see.
Who's in it with your boy? I'm gonna add once price gets under 210. I'm in at 245. Let's go.
All right, Caesar's in at 245. right under VWAP.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add after this candle closes and I still continue to get lower highs. I just don't want to move my average too much.
Alrighty.
The only reason is I don't want to add is because like I'm so proud of my entries,
Then don't add. You're good.
but I want to.
It is
Give me another candle.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
18 seconds until this candle closes. I'll add on the opening of the next one.
yeah, I think the gap is gonna get filled on NQ for this morning, which is let's see how many points. Almost like 50-ish points away.
Yeah, definitely. There is a gap around
Oh,
3170
come on.
and 3154. Yeah, like a 20-point gap. So yeah. Right call, Samir. Right call. You talked about it this morning, and it is happening. It is happening. Fireworks for Samir.
Oh wow! Thank you. And I'm happy actually. When we started, I think I was here on Mondays, bi-weekly. So we are seeing growth in this channel, and people are tuning in. And I would like to thank you, everyone who is watching. So thank you guys
Yes,
for
indeed.
for being here.
Samir is one of the day ones when we used to have 3
Yeah.
viewers or 5 viewers, and
Aw.
so we're
Now
growing.
slowly we are growing, and that's what we like. So on that note, 33 people, make sure you are liking the stream so that we can get like-minded people like you.
Indeed. You said 33. I see 41, but
Oh,
54.
there is a problem in my YouTube.
All right, guys, let's try to get 50 likes today. Okay, let's try to get 50 likes. You guys made Caesar angry the other day because you were not liking the stream. So let's like it today. We got 60.
We were
Oh man, the
giving
numbers are climbing.
we were giving good trades, we were giving psychology, you know what I'm saying, methods, and we were not getting any love. Like, nah, bruh.
That was a really good area to add. I'm proud of that.
Yes, indeed. Alejandra is killing it. The
Come on.
shorting queen is short. We like it.
It ain't often I short. So if you hear me saying I'm looking for shorts, man, I'm not saying I'm 100% right, but we be
What you're
cooking.
saying, low key.
Low key, we be saying. Man.
Nice,
Let's
nice,
go.
nice, nice.
I'm lowering my risk and I'm going to start taking profits as soon as this level breaks here.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Easy money for Alejandra this morning. A little bit of anticipation.
I'm going to move my risk just a little just in case there's like what we call a Diddy candle.
What? I've never heard that one.
My Discord calls that all the time.
Please expand. Please expand. Please hide the baby oil. Hide the baby oil.
Okay,
man, let's keep it
I'm not
PG.
liking
Let's
this.
keep it PG.
Usually as soon as I go into profit like that and it doesn't like continue to keep dropping, I don't like to stay in it because I don't know. But then at the same time it's like, okay, I just have to trust the process and trust the trade. But oftentimes if it's not giving it to me right away, right? Like if I just have to reevaluate and maybe reassess, because if I add and it's not going my way and I'm feeling like a little insecure about the trade or whatever it is, like second thoughts, doubting, then my emotional risk tolerance decreases, and so I don't want to go through the motion of having this potentially hit my stop loss.
Got it.
So I'm being really careful here.
I got it. I think it definitely makes sense if you don't feel comfortable in the trade, if the idea is not playing out the way you anticipated within the time frame you anticipated. It's totally understandable. If you want to
We can
close
always
out,
reevaluate.
exactly, you could always re-enter. The trader's job is first and foremost to manage the risk. So we'll see. But so far, it's playing out
Working well.
beautifully.
Yeah.
But that was a great call when you said, "Hey, I'm about to take profit at that level where you put your yellow line." That's exactly where it bounced from. So it's showing good analysis here, good anticipation. I know Caesar's in the trade. I don't know what he's thinking. I
For
think some.
me, I'm still thinking down. Like I
Okay.
said, my target is 150. I'm in. My original entry is 245. I've added at the 210 break. I'm holding, man. I like the way the 4 hour is looking. I like that Nvidia and Tesla are both dropping. So it's just literally going to be a matter of patience. I'm not crazy heavy, so and
Wow. Yeah,
All right.
everything's pretty much. Tesla looks good for a short.
Alrighty. And then Samir is quietly making millions in the background.
No, I'm just waiting for that US30 trade that I showed to our viewers. Either
Perfect.
shot from that area, or yeah, I'll wait for the longs. But for that, I want the price to go lower. But NQ
I think
shorts
this
are really
candle
nice
closed
actually.
lower. Beautiful. This candle just closed below that line, so I'm gonna start trimming as soon as this one closes.
Very good. It looks like we
240,
might lose these bottoms on the NQs.
245 for me.
Moving my risk into break even.
I like it. Usam, how you doing? Samir is a legend. Indeed, he is.
Usam,
Let's go.
I remember.
Let's
I remember
go,
Usam.
baby. Let's
That's
go.
it. Let's get it.
Today's the day. Today's a green day.
Green Day, great way to start the week. Great way to start the Monday.
You guys already know my profit target. How many points is that? 200 points.
3,000. Oh, sorry. 30. Yeah, it's about 200 points, give or take.
Risk-free trade, guys. If you're not banking, I don't know what you're doing.
What are you doing?
Stop money, baby.
Oh, you want to flex?
No saying.
Okay.
This is Ian. This is Korean currency. We got money for all around the world. What's up? What y'all want? Y'all want 1,000? This is 10,000.
Oh, shoot.
Y'all want some Tanzanian currency? What's up?
So cool.
These people we got.
You should have like a photo album of like money from everywhere you travel. Like that would be so cool.
I gotta get to that. I got quite a bit. I have some money I'm trying to get rid of, but I just don't want to go back to the country again.
My Apple Pay is opened.
Apple Pay is open. It's physical. I can't send it via digital. So I don't know. I might have to take a trip to LA and give it to you.
Down. All right, what is this price action here? I'm not liking it.
Let's see. Yeah.
We're trying to hold the level. We tagged 170. Sorry. We tagged 165.50 and then bounced from there. I'm looking at oil. Oil also trying to hold. Looking at the ES still pushing lower. We're down about 0.10% on the ES.
Better not go hit my stop loss.
And then gold think gold is starting to maybe give us that possible short entry. We'll see that we talked about this morning. We'll see
I
if we
mean,
get it or
it's
not.
still looking short, good for short.
Uh,
Let's see.
Good.
Indeed, ES is holding lower than the NQ. Trade with Saki booked his shorts. Good. Welcome again, Tanzania. All right. Do we have anybody from Tanzania watching right now?
Wow.
I don't know, but it's a really beautiful country. Well, specifically, I went to Zanzibar, and dude, like beautiful, beautiful water, beautiful beaches, like
Nice.
really beautiful country.
Awesome.
And like
Yeah.
certain places, you'll see the local. There's still like local tribes where they wear the red garment or toga, and just like walking around, hopping, patrolling the streets with spears, bro. Like,
Oh, really?
yeah, very refreshing.
Nice. Interesting.
I'm not liking this part.
Oh, we got Tanzania in the house. Wakisa's from Tanzania.
Okay, what's
Okay.
up?
So we got people looking from everywhere. We got Kenya in the house. How you doing? Elfunias. Hello.
I need this candle to close below this level, otherwise I don't know what's gonna happen.
All right, we're gonna have the first 15-minute close in a few. That's when I'll start looking at
There we
possible
go.
setups. How's
Okay.
that? How's the Dow looking, Samir?
I think we may can get shorts today. I mean, I may can get, because it is going towards my shorting area.
All right, I'm switching to your screen.
All right. This is what was the plan that I was having on US 30. So I was planning for shorts. The idea was very simple, that we are in this impulsive phase. Maybe this is a pullback, and we can go lower and complete that pullback, overall pullback that I think that we can have, and then potentially continuation to the upside, because this is a daily level or the 4-hour level. This is a good level.
Yeah.
So it holds a decent amount of value, so I cannot ignore it. So this will be the area where I will be eyeing on longs, and if I took the short, I think around this area, I should not hold it past this area, and it may can take some time. We are still like 80-90 points away from this area, so yeah, let's see. But NAS, it is actually a shorting setup for me. The strategy that I was talking about that day, we broke the high, we closed below the low, and now this is a shorting setup for me. Stop loss can be here. I will be eyeing on 1-to-1. So this is the strategy that I have, one of the strategy. But I trade US 30 the most, so this strategy is also decent.
Let's see what we get. They're really trying to hold the NQ down, so we'll see. But I definitely want to say hi to everybody here. We have South Africa in the house. We have Kenya in the house. Oh, Peter. How you doing, Peter? Peter was trying to battle us the other day, trying to battle Alejandra, but that didn't work out for
Peter,
him.
are you okay? Have you recovered mentally? I'm kidding.
We got Cowish in the house, representing
how we have
Pakistan and
so many
Egypt.
people.
All right.
I
And
love
we are-
how. Oh, I was just gonna say, I love how we have so many people from like different places.
Same here. We're the United Nations over here.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna probably get the drop here. This is looking good, so I'm staying. I moved my wrist just a little bit, just in case it went above this level, but it stayed below, so we're still Gucci.
We are still Gucci.
I'm learning some new
Man,
words today.
there's so many expressions here, right? We had the Diddy candle.
I'll use this. I'll use this in the CFT channel.
Oh man, the future side is the best side. I always say it. Guys, go like the stream. We got almost 100 people watching, so please go like. It's free. Go subscribe if you're not subscribed. We have Alejandra live trading here, making profits like it's nothing on a Monday. Okay,
You always say that. It's funny.
but it's true. Look, we're just clicking buttons, making thousands. So
Yeah,
the best.
clicking buttons and yeah, we make
Essentially,
profits
if
or
you
loss.
think about it. So there was this joke I saw online the other day where they asked, they asked a lady, so what do you do? She's like, well, I just send emails, click buttons, and go to meetings. That's my job. She's like, wait, what? No, but what do you do? She's like, if you think about it, that's all I do. I just click buttons, type letters, go to meetings, and send emails. So that's what we're doing. We're clicking buttons and making profits, hopefully.
This price action though is really testing my patience.
Well, we've only been trading for give or take 40 minutes. So let's be patient. They are definitely trying to hold that 30,200 level, give or take, trying to push it back to the upside. Will we see follow through? We don't know. We shall see. Why can't I see my opening range? Oh, okay. 945. Now I can see it. All right.
US30 is getting closer to that shorting area that I was having. So this can be the I can aggressively take a shot once it touch that area.
Okay. Let me switch to your screen so you can show us again the area.
So this is the exact entry that I have, and this is the I don't want you guys to copy my trade, but still this is a trade idea I am having. So yeah, maybe I should delete this.
Maybe you should
So
delete it.
around this area I'll be eyeing for shots.
There we go. I mean, hey, they could copy at their own risk. We know this is not financial advice. We do these things live. We take the wins, we take the losses with you guys. So, it's all good. It's all good.
I'm not liking this.
We're trying to recover here on the NQ.
Going to the 1 minute. Let's see what he's trying to do. Maybe we can have some more information. My chart is stuck. I don't know why. Let's try other broker. Maybe this one. It is some kind of correction. So if it didn't break back in, I think this breakout can be a real breakout.
So this might
I don't like
this is looking like an opening range breakout for me. So I might take that long. We'll see.
Actually, 200 EMA is also bullish, so I don't like that on NAS. But US30,
I still think this is shorts. I'm sure Caesar agrees, but
Yeah.
it could be a retest.
Indeed. We
As
could
long as it
Let's
stays
look at the
and
daily
closes below 3250, then I think we're fine.
alrighty.
yeah, we touched that resistance. It was a good resistance, and we started to reject. Yeah, shorting makes sense, but
ES looks more bearish so far, so maybe the ES is the leading indicator. We're holding below the 50% of the opening range, so let's see if we could get follow through.
okay, if I short it here,
Oh my god. I don't like this.
Let's take a look at gold, what gold is trying to do. I don't trade it, but I'm always
I'm gonna get
curious about
down.
what gold.
Gold is
Gold,
pushing. It's doing the
gold's
same
taking
thing.
off.
Hopefully you took some off because this is looking good
I
right
don't know
now.
what
Yeah,
is
I'm
going
long.
on my chart.
I took mine off. I'm flat. I'm gonna see what it wants to do at this level, but I'm not liking it.
Yeah, this was the play on US
Yeah,
dollar.
I'm long.
So you're eyeing on NQ, right?
Yeah, I'm on NQ.
Okay.
Anticipating the breakout of the range. We'll see. But then again, this might be a retest of the Asia lows around 32.74. So let me just show my chart to just show you what I'm thinking. Very small
Okay.
size because I'm kind of anticipating a trade early, and it might not be the case. So
I'm gonna re-enter after this candle closes. I knew this was a second retest.
it might be the retest. Yeah.
I'm entering.
Yeah.
I'll add if it continues to retest that level.
Let's see. I hate to be counter trend trading, and I hope Alejandro wins because my trade is very small. But I'll show you my idea. We try to push lower, we recover, form the higher low. We're pushing higher here. We're above the 50% area of the opening range. We reconquered the London low. So what I'm anticipating is that we break these highs, we pull back, and we continue higher. Now, what we need to contend with are these previous lows from the London session. So we would need to break above, call it 30,260 for this long to be kind of confirmed. And then you'll have to contend again with the 30,340s as another level. So it's not a very high quality trade. It's not an A+ trade. If we don't get immediate follow through, it is continuation to the downside, and Alejandra will continue to print profits. So we'll see.
Caesar, you fly, you're still holding. Cesar.
Caesar's gone.
No, he's
Caesar
right
make-
there.
No, I'm saying he's making too many profits, so he's not, he's not paying attention.
He's too focused.
Yeah, he's too focused.
He don't want to lose his profits. All right. Yeah. NQ, I think as we are breaking above, yeah, we have a potential to continue the trend, I think.
We'll see if we hold. It's about to be 10 o'clock as well, and usually at 10 o'clock we'll see sharp reversals sometimes. So it is not guaranteed. It's just that per my setup, this warrants a long for me, so that's why I'm taking it, but I might not be right. Oh, I thought I was showing it. Let's show the long. There we go. Just one contract. I took it late. Chasing a little bit. So we would need a break, pull back for this to continue higher. But this whole zone is resistance, which is why I totally understand why Alejandro is shorting. So
I'm adding.
we'll see.
I'm back in the game.
Back in the game.
I got cold, guys.
All right, you are in shorts. That liquidity setup is still in the play, by the way. The 15-minute broke the high, closed below the body with a decent amount of kind of a candle. So if I would have taken this sell, I would have still my stop loss would have been here, so still I would have been in the trade. So yes, let's see. 1 minute time frame. We are still holding this area, which is good, and it was a nice area. We pushed. This can be liquidity also, liquidity breakout, and then real move to the downside. We will see, but according to this setup that I showed you, I think last to last Monday actually. So yeah, I'm just following this setup. But US30 was the play. I don't like Nas that much, but that EMA setup head and shoulder was really nice, so I took a long.
Okay.
But the main one is definitely US30. So that's
So-
the break and retest.
You entered the short yet or not yet?
No, I didn't took it because I
Okay.
already took the NQ longs.
Oh,
so
got it.
I don't have to punch more trades now. I
That's
took
a-
a longs around this area.
Yeah, I remember you were in the in the long this morning. Very good, very good. Trade with Sakib. Let me take this question really quickly. Where can we see all active running trades? So you're gonna go to your performance profile on the top. Let me just show really quickly. So if you go to the top here, you click on that, you'll see all the trades. Where is it? Okay, so I'm in just one trade, so you're only seeing one trade here. But you select the right account and you'll see all your trades pop up here. You click on performance profile. Alrighty.
I think it might be waiting for 10 o'clock.
Yeah, 10 o'clock we might see either a flush back down or just an explosion of the shorts. I mean short squeeze. So I'm betting on a possible squeeze, but if that doesn't happen, then that confirms that no longs are in play, and then I'll look for a short setup. We'll take a small loss and then look for another setup. Got a question for Samir right now.
All right. Do you stick to, where is the question? Okay. Do you stick to one-to-one trade, or do you look at the best of threes? I have been a very poor decision maker in my past. So considering that thing, I have to eliminate that thing. And I found out this practice. What if I follow one trade a day? So I am not letting my destructive nature take place and take multiple trades when I know that I'm not a good decision maker after a one loss. So knowing this thing about myself, so I came up with this idea. Let's not expose myself too much to the market. Let's stick with one trade. With that thing, I got a little bit of payouts and consistency. So that thing helped me. So
I like
yes.
I like how he says a little bit of payouts, but all right. You're too humble. You're too humble. Anyways. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I just stick with
7,
one trade a day.
10 a.m. Sorry.
All right, Nas, let's see what it's trying to do. I'm having trouble loading Nas 100 chart, maybe.
By the way,
Trading
guys,
with a bit of
remember
that
to
Nas.
like the stream. Like the stream. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We do this for you. It helps us out a lot. And we're going to have trading battles starting this Wednesday. So go sign up on Discord if you haven't signed up for your chance to battle one of us, either me or Alejandra or Caesar. So go sign up because we have battles again this Wednesday.
Yo, I have a question, man. How long does it take to activate an account over here?
It should be really cool.
Should be really quick. Yeah. There have been many glitches.
Okay.
All right, shorts looking good.
Monday,
Moving my risk.
I'm a trade mine.
We should have a nice flush, but I don't know why it's hesitating so much.
Let's see what we get it. Let's see what we get. But great trade management by Alejandra, showing her patience here, holding this short, holding her conviction. I like it.
It is not quick.
It should be.
On the 12th, so I passed it on the 11th. On the 12th, I received the email. And it's like I had like 7 days to utilize some credits or whatever, but I'm on the side and it's still showing it's disabled, but I don't have anything on the funded side. Did the verification.
What's up? I'll tell you what's going on.
We'll table that.
Yeah, but yeah, usually it should be fast. It should be, a few hours.
I want SPX to hit 7,750 for me to take my profits, and then I'm done for the day.
7,750. Okay. Yes is definitely the more bearish one of both. So looking good on that end.
Caesar, are you still holding your short or are you flat?
I think you're muted.
Cesar.
All right, who's in these shorts? Who's in these shorts with us?
Oh, he didn't hear me.
He didn't hear
Me.
you.
Me.
No,
Me.
Let's go.
Alejandra is on the short.
Let's go.
But this is when like it just tests my patience. Like,
Deep breaths. Woosah.
silver's still pushing. That's good, I guess. Gold looks like it wants to continue to hold and go higher. Oil is just kind of going sideways.
Gold has that.
Looking weak. All right, so we've been ranging between 32.50 and 31.90. So we need a real break below 31.90. We can't keep
Yes,
playing this
indeed.
game. Come on.
All right, guys, remember to like the stream. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Whoa.
All right, chat. Who's in these shorts? Drop a emoji if you're in these shorts. And drop a $sign of your banking. If you had a great entry.
What if everyone in the stream took short and everyone make money?
That would be good.
And we will put
That would be
fireworks
awesome.
and hearts and music at the end of our profit target.
Indeed. That would be great.
All right, so if you guys entered in at the price that I've been entering in at around 32.50, start taking profits here. Like you want to minimize your risk, right? Like, I mean, this is just how I trade so that I feel safe and I feel confident and I lower my risk. So typically as it's going my way, and I'll do these little like arrows here just to kind of help me guide my risk management. So as it's giving me lower highs and lower lows, right? We're like in this little downtrend. I should be taking profits. I'm going to move my risk into break even, or just like a small loss, just so that I don't have that like mentality of like, not mentality, but like that thought of, oh no, I don't want it to hit my risk, right? So just in case something does happen and it doesn't go my way and it doesn't keep dropping, then at least I'm only taking a $30 loss, right? And I've already locked in some profits earlier. So I am going to take just one here, just to even minimize the risk a little bit more. But as it breaks this level, once it breaks this level, guys, we're flushing down, because SPX has the gap to fill on the downside, and the next area of support for M&Q is 30,000 like 80 or 30,070. So it's closing below. You see how that candle closed below that blue line? That blue line is this little order block that I have here on the 1 minute. So as long as we continue to stay below that blue line, we're still fine on the short side. And if anything, like now I'm really going to bring my risk into profit, so that I don't take a loss, and now I just let the trade like work itself.
Indeed. Trade management live, guys. You're seeing how it's done. You're seeing how Alejandra is going through the motions with this trade, trading in the correct direction with her, trading back, moving up, moving down, how she's, thinking about the trade, deciding where to take profits, how to move her stop, etc. So this is gold, guys. This is gold. Seeing how it is done. And I have something I want to show you guys.
Do you see how I told you guys, as soon as it breaks
There
that
you
blue
go.
line,
There you go.
it's going to be an automatic flush because it's losing its support here.
Awesome risk management. Awesome risk management here.
It tried to break it here, and it tried to reclaim it, right? Tried it again, reclaim it faked the longs out. But because we're on a larger time frame, when Caesar was going through it on a 4-hour time frame, we're in a major area of resistance. So when we're in a major area of resistance, typically what that means is shorts, territory. And we've been bullish for a while now, so it's time for the longs to take profits. It's time for the calls to get out, close their position. And this is when the bears start to come out. They start to load their position. And they're not going to give it to us, easy and right away. They're going to try to mess with your psychology, with your emotions. So you just have to trust the plan and trust the process. And of course, risk management is key. So, as long as you understand market structure, you have your risk in place, you have your profit target and your plan in place, then you just sit here and you just let the play just work for itself.
I'm downsizing. I downsized some of my position in the 70s just because I'm not liking this constant back and forth.
Yeah.
Risk-free trade at the moment. I may add if we get another rejection under 220. No, look at that. Back and forth, back and forth.
Do you see why I bring my risk into profit? It's just sometimes you just can't trust it. Like.
Yep, no, absolutely.
Let's see what we get. What's his name? Kojo? Hey, Kojo, if you have a problem with me making positive comments, you're not forced to watch, dude. Or girl. I don't know if it's a girl. I like to be nice to people. Howard's saying he hates Monday.
Oh my gosh, why?
Okay. For me, I came up with this thing that Tuesdays are my most of my losses are on Tuesdays. So back in the days, I stopped trading on Tuesdays. So maybe for you, it's Monday. Maybe you can take a break on Monday, start from Tuesday, or maybe lower the risk.
True, might be a good idea. I think everybody should take a look at their stats and figure out, what's the best time frame, what's the best day, etc. Cowish, thank you. I like it. You deserve it. I wish that if I'm a simp, everybody's a simp on Oh man. How do they say it? Haters gonna hate.
Well, also sometimes whatever people say is just a reflection of who they actually are.
Yeah, it's all good. I welcome it. What did Cat Williams say? If you have one hater, next month you need 10. You need more. Give me more.
This price action though, like,
No bueno, no bueno. If it gets over 230, I'm probably gonna just kill the trade.
I mean, we are getting lower highs and lower lows. We're still in this little downtrend. So as long as we stay within this channel and stay, low, and we're fine. But it's just like if it starts to break above, that red line that I have and gives us higher lows, then yeah, it's cooked.
All right. Midnight Audio asking how to partial exit Black Arrow, like exiting 2 out of 4. Well, you could just market exit. You go to the top right where it says quantity, and you market exit out of it. And if you want to place a limit order, then can you show them, Alejandra, or do you want me to do it?
Go for it, because I don't think I have that. Remember, for some reason.
Yeah. All right, let me show my screen. So if you're in the trade, say you had 2 contracts and you want to exit here, you could just hit Alt. Let me just put none. Hit Alt and then put a sell limit order here. And then you can modify, edit the order and add or remove the quantity, or the quantity you have here is exactly the quantity that's going to be, posted here. So that's how you would take a partial exit.
All right.
And while you have my screen, I want to show you guys this wonderful specimen here. Look at this. Look at this volleyball player. He's not even paying attention. Caesar.
He can't even hear.
Yeah, he's not paying attention. I'll bring it back in a few. But yeah, guys, this is just your reminder that 1v1 battles are coming.
Oh, come on, dude.
I'm still holding on to my bullish.
You are?
Trade. Yep.
All right.
Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get follow through. No, I got stopped out of the first one. That's my second attempt. And if that second one doesn't work, then I'll be done taking attempts today, because if we don't see follow through, then it's probably going to be a sideways day, and we'll get the trend later on. So we'll see.
I want my volleyball picture on there.
1 second.
What is going on with this price action?
Well, it's moving sideways. Somebody said Caesar.
Caesar.
Do we trade gold? Yes, we do trade. We do take gold trades from time to time. I'm not a big gold trader, but we do take them from time to time. All right, let's try again since Caesar is watching now.
Yep.
We were showing this specimen a few minutes ago. We were calling you, but you could see,
Look at
and then
that.
you
Okay,
got the nickname Caesar. All right.
yes, sir. Okay, okay. I love it. Bro,
So,
it is scary what
mm-hmm,
y'all can do with AI.
mm-hmm. Well, the design
Dude,
team, not me, but yeah,
yeah, like what?
insane, insane. I was surprised
Damn.
when I saw my picture. I'm like, what is this?
Like what? The likeliness of it, bro.
It's
Yeah,
crazy.
but that is neat. Oh, hey,
It's
oh my
crazy.
lord. Oh,
It's
look at
crazy.
that.
It's crazy. It's
It's
crazy.
still looking good for the short side.
Yep, still looking good for the short
Yeah,
side. I'm gonna
so good.
step. I'm gonna get stopped out.
Yeah, it
So,
didn't get over
yeah.
the 30s. Like for this to like flip sentiment, you would have to close. It would have to close over 230 with like authority. So this is just a lot of back and forth.
Yeah. I wanted, since we held these lows pretty well, so we held, let's say, this whole area around 30,185 to 30,170, give or take. I thought we might see, follow through to the upside. But if we don't, then I'll get stopped out, and that'll be my last trade here. So we shall see. Cowish, you're saying we need to give chance to outsiders. I mean, I get it that you guys are regular watching the stream, but for now, we are only taking registrations on Discord, and then maybe in the future we can do other battles like we've done in the past directly here on stream. The problem is not everybody's ready to go, so that's the biggest challenge.
All right, let's try this one more time and see if it'll go below that area that I have again. This will be the third time pretty much.
All right.
I wish it.
Just give us this move already. Like, let's go back under.
There
Let
we
this be it.
go.
This is where we need to see
Back
follow
under that
through.
area.
Yes.
It's gold chart. Oh, what happened? Here we go. Whoa, gold is still pushing. Let's look at
Yeah.
the 1 hour. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go reach 46.12. That's the next level that I have. Unless it gets rejected at 45. Let's look at the daily. Yeah. I like how clean the charts look.
NQ is consolidating.
This is the
moment we
gold
all
chart
declared.
for Gold Coast.
What did you say, Samir?
The moment we all took trade on NQ, it started consolidating.
They don't want us to win. They don't want us to win.
That's usually their job is to not let us win, you know? Caesar, what are your thoughts about market makers?
They do exist. People think they don't. They do exist. The whole point of them is, is to move the market, is to provide liquidity, right? And liquidity is just the continuation of buying and selling of assets. And most people don't know, but they communicate with one another. And yeah, they're a thing. If people think that this is just random, it's not random. At times they'll end price in a specific level to wear out people's patience, or they'll induce what looks like a short, but then quickly flip it around you. So yeah, it's a thing. So
Yeah, it's like I don't know if it's like an algorithm or like a group of people or like a section in a building or
Um,
multiple people all around the
it's
world.
it's institutions, yeah. So it's institutions. So here in the U.S., we have market makers here in the U.S. Surprising, like most people might not know this, but Interactive Brokers is a market maker, right? Then there's market makers in Europe, and there's market makers in Asia, and they all communicate with one another. Where Asia, let's say, will run the market up, Europe will somewhat bring it down, and then the US will finish the move, and it's just constant, circulation of money.
So there's just to add to that part, we so retail starting in 2020. When I say retail, I mean people like us trading the actual markets represent about 20% of transactions. So the other 80% is institutions. And, I think this is a lot of just institutions fighting each other, um, trying to extract profits out of the markets. Now, the other thing is, we were talking about this recently, that the market has shifted a lot from a lot of active managers to a lot of just passive buying and selling. So they will just buy because they have to and sell because they have to. So sell, think, your pension funds that has to pay out some, pension holders, and they just have to sell because they have to sell because they have to pay it out. And these things move the market a lot. So I don't think it's just, one big algorithm moving everything. It's a bunch of algos fighting each other in areas that make sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
There's a video from ICT where he shows like proof of his entries and his exits and why he chose those levels and why he believes those levels are there. And just like the way he was describing everything, I'm just like, man, like this is just incredible. It's interesting how a lot of people think that this is gambling, and it's like it can be gambling if you don't know what you're doing and you don't have an edge. But when you like take it serious and when you actually put the time into like learning price action and market structure and just overall like how everything works in the stock market, you can I mean, there's people doing it. We're doing it. It's real.
Indeed. It's doable. It's possible.
Wow.
I think we're finally going to get that push lower here.
I don't know. It's really messing with my emotions and my patience because it keeps wanting to reclaim this level here.
Yeah, they're definitely trying to hold. It's the gap. I mean, they're trying to hold it right in the gap, around that 30,155. That's where they've been buying all. Sorry, they've been buying all morning.
Void A said, do market makers have a PhD in psychology or something? I swear, the moment I enter the price in my point, it says I'm not freaking leaving.
Gotcha. Yeah, they do. Over like, I mean, over like the several decades and years of the market, like individuals have spent a lot of money. Even the governments, they spend a lot of money on understanding human psychology. So yeah.
I believe the stock market is not just a pool of money. I think it's also a pool of emotions.
Of course, that's exactly what it is. Even though algos are trading the markets, these algos have been designed by humans. So you're seeing a reflection of human emotion in these algos. On top of that, you have a bunch of other things happening. Look at what happened with what's it called? situational awareness, the fund that almost went down, and he had to, kind of get bought out because his fund was losing money. So it's all these interactions. Me, when I look at the market, I think of a huge store on Black Friday, and then you have everybody running, trying to get those TVs, trying to get those shoes, trying to get those. That's what I picture, right? When I see the candles, I picture a bunch of people running in and out of a store and just fighting for products and prices going up and down. That's what I see.
All right.
How you doing
Nasdaq
there,
is doing
Steve?
nothing.
Yeah.
NAS is doing nothing. US30, I'm still in that trade, and it is 30 to 40% in my favor right now.
Nice.
This one. Actually, at first retest, I didn't took it, and then again we retested with this candle. Let me go to the 1 minute so that you can see it. Here I didn't enter, and once it tapped again, I executed this trade here because it was way too quick. So I was about to enter, then price was here, but then again gave me a chance, so I took a shot here. Actually, there was also a setup on NAS, but I don't know why the momentum is fading away on NAS.
Yeah, they've been trying to hold that level all
I
morning.
think I have a problem in. Let me pull out other broker here. Okay. I think we have a breakout of this type of a consolidation, so we can continue to the downside, at least to that support area. That's how I see it. Now it is just the probability. If it continued, good. If it didn't, then doesn't mean that these type of consolidation doesn't work. But to me, this was impulsive like consolidation, and then again maybe another impulse can take over as we break out of this area. Yeah, and I saw gold was also having amazing momentum. My internet is fine, but still I'm having trouble loading the chart. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, I was eyeing on a buying opportunity here, but I don't trade gold that much, so now I don't see. Now I just flip my bias as this candle is forming like this. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk about gold, but NAS definitely that breakout is looking interesting. So as I'm in US30, I cannot enter multiple trades, but this is just the observation or the setup. I'll just stick with US30 trade. That's it. But NAS breakout is also fine.
Indeed,
Yeah.
indeed. Yep. So
Beautiful
far,
setup.
things not moving in the right direction. But let's take this comment here for everybody from Gold Coast. Thank you. We really appreciate it. Saying you guys are so real. I hear Alejandra talk about emotions and patience. Immediately made me feel you guys are humans too. Should we pinch ourselves? Yes. I'm human. Do you guys know about the dream test to know if you're dreaming or not? Have you guys ever
No.
done that?
No.
So if you're dreaming and you don't know whether or not you're dreaming, there's two tests that some guys, I can't remember who came up with. One is you try to look at your hands. Have you guys ever seen your hands when you're dreaming or no?
What?
No.
You never see your hands in your dreams. If you think
Yeah,
about it,
you're right.
you never see your hands. So if you see your hands, that means you're not dreaming. So, let's look, we're not dreaming. Or the other thing is to pinch your nose, right? And if you pinch your nose, but you're able to breathe, then that means you're dreaming. If you can't breathe, obviously you're awake.
Well,
So
how
that's
would you
that's
how
the
would you
dream test.
be conscious enough to do that when you're dreaming though?
So I don't know if you've ever had a lucid dream. I have. So sometimes I'm dreaming and I actually know I'm dreaming. Right. And it becomes fun because it's like you can modify your dream, but
Yeah.
most of the time you can't. But yeah,
Have
next
you
time
ever
uh-huh.
ha, have you guys ever done shoot, I had it in my head and I totally forgot. It's out of body experience, like purposely, like out of body. You know what I mean? It's like a meditation where you kind of do an out of body meditation. Have you guys ever done that? Dave, I feel like you have.
I'm gonna let the others answer before I answer.
I don't know. I visualize myself like I'm doing that. I can see myself. What do we call that? I can introspect. So that I have done time to time, but this type of out body type of thing, maybe that is also out body. I don't know.
Caesar's like, I don't know what you guys are talking about. I'm trading.
Yep.
Look
Nah,
at
the
you.
dream stuff. I mean, I don't. Half the time, I don't even recall like said dreams.
This price action is testing my patience for sure.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
breakout is not a good breakout here.
So I'm gonna cut it. I'll tell you guys why in just a second. If this one closes white above 3,200, then I'm getting out. I mean, my risk is in profit anyway. But let me see. Are we showing my screen?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So watch on MNQ here on TradingView. I have these levels drawn already, and do you guys see this little tiny gap right here? It literally filled it and tapped right into it, and it looks like it's holding it.
Yeah, that's the gap I've been talking about all morning.
Okay. All right. So since it tapped into it, I still think we're going lower. Reason being is because it has not swept any liquidity, in my opinion. I wanted to sweep this sell side here before it can continue to go higher. And it can go higher, but we need to see something. And so pretty much right now we're just ranging between the opening range, or the 15-minute order block is what they call it. I don't know. I know you really use it. But yeah, so we're pretty much ranging between just like that area there. So I really, in order for me to hold my short and continue to stay in my short, I want it to stay below this blue line here. And I think it's a 5-minute order block. And right now it looks like it wants to hold it. So if it closes white above that blue line, we have 1 minute for that candle to close. If it closes below it, then we're still good for the short. But if it closes above it and it starts giving us higher lows, then we could see a potential breakout to the upside and go higher.
All right, I like it. We'll see what we get. We just have to wait. 30 minutes to go on the screen, on the stream. So we'll find out if that happens or not.
So this is my original trade, right? If it doesn't, then here, let me show. All right, so it'll look something like that. And if that's the case, then I don't do longs. I would probably just go back to bed.
You do calls sometimes.
Sometimes. But it's not exciting. Because it's like, you know, you made a good point the other day. When there's calls or when it's longs, they take longer. That's why it's called longs.
Yeah. It's literally why they're called longs. Because you hold them for a long time.
All right, so this box here is a 1 minute bearish for value gap. Sometimes I utilize those to manage my risk. So my risk is right above it, and you see how it keeps getting rejected at the bottom of it. As long as we stay below it and we keep getting those lower highs and lower lows, then we should get the drop. Like, we should get one more flush, but
Let's see. Well, Usam is asking for a shout out sign of side effect. my God, I can't talk to you. What's going on? Let me drink some water. I'm saying all the wrong things today. Side effects instead of sound effects. I said, you guys didn't catch it, but I said short instead of short. A bunch of other stuff today. It's Monday, guys.
Kawish said, Ale, whatever you're saying is right. I don't even know what I said.
Goku saying you got everybody trying to nose pinch. Stop. You're awake. Trust me.
Wait.
Yes, indeed. Don't pinch the nose.
That US 30 trade is playing out well now.
All right, let's take a look at Samir's trade. Samir being stoic as usual this morning. There we
that
go.
retest was really nice, and now we are seeing some kind of push to the downside. And I think the probability of hitting the target has increased as we are going below this area. All right, I'm just gonna let this trade play. And Nas is doing nothing.
It's gonna do something. We just don't know when. Is it gonna be now? Is it gonna be at noon? Is it gonna be at 2 p.m.? We don't know. It's gonna pick a direction eventually.
Yeah. Yep. But if it don't.
Yeah, this is the only area where it should retest if it has to go to the downside.
Caesar, are you still shorting? Are you still holding your short?
I only have 2 cons, but I'm considering closing it out because we're approaching London close. My hard stop is 230, but I probably should just take it here because I really don't like it anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Nvidia, Tesla looks like it's bottomed out. Nvidia's turning, but the thing that's kind of giving me confidence is ES is still weak, but I don't want that. Yeah, I don't want that to really influence me where I hold longer than I should. Because Friday I was up and I ended up giving everything back because I was so confident in the move. So yeah, I'm probably gonna set my stop to 210. Either it stops me out or it goes. Yeah. All right. Stop loss set.
Cool. Thank you for that. I'm still holding my short as long as it stays below that 1 minute bearish fair value gap I have.
Alrighty. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get continuation to the upside or the downside. By the way, guys, if you have questions, you have us for a good 20 minutes here. So please let us know. Let me, roll back in the chart. See if we had any questions here.
Vice City. What?
By the way, good to see you here, Void.
Who's that?
Void is... So Void does a lot of stuff in Discord on the CFD side. Super cool guy. He comes on our pre-market prep sometimes.
Gotcha.
He's somewhere in North Africa. I can't remember. He said recently.
All right, we're still getting that rejection below the gap. Guys, you guys have, I know Caesar has an idea. Samir, how long have you been trading?
It has been 7-ish years, 7.5.
Am I the only baby here? I only have,
And you are trading since?
Actually, I have almost 5 years.
How long?
All right.
Almost 5, so 4 or something.
One change.
But the first one didn't count.
It counts.
It counts.
If you were participating, even if you were, sporadically in, out, a month here, 2 months there, it counts. Don't.
It counts. It taught you something.
Yeah, it taught me not to use real capital if you don't know what you're doing.
That's a painful lesson. Painful lesson.
Oh man, this one time I don't know what I was trading. I think it was small cap I was at my friend's house. I slept over. I wake up pre-market and I'm holding shares or contracts or options. I can't remember exactly. But something happened. There was a reverse split and my account was up like $12,000. And this was like the first year. And
Oof.
I was like, what the F? I'm like, how do I close this? How do I get out of this? I'm like, please. And then as soon as market opens, everything just disappeared and it just went back to like my original balance. And I'm like, what the hell was
Wow.
that?
That
It was
was that
crazy.
was that was lucky.
It was
That's
crazy.
great. That's great. Yeah. Yeah. Trading, real capital, brokerage accounts, etc., especially at the beginning, can be traumatizing, for lack of a better term.
You took a deep breath. Dave, are you okay?
I'm good. I'm blink twice.
Oh gosh.
But yeah. So I saw a question here. What's different in futures or CFD? A
All
few
right,
things.
The
I'm on
spread, I'll
this.
touch that. The difference between futures and CFDs is that on futures, you're going to have a tighter spread. And if you're wondering what a spread is, that is the difference between the bid and the ask. Bid is what someone is willing to buy it for. Ask is what someone is willing to sell it for. So when you trade CFDs, you're automatically at a loss because of the spread, right? So let's look at can you pull up my screen? I'm sharing NQ. So I'm going to show you right now. Okay.
By the way, I'm
Level.
long.
All right. So look at right here, right? Level 2. If you look at the difference between the bid and the ask, it is literally like a tick, right? Less than a point. If you were trading CFDs, it would be the bid would be like 210 and the
Again, I
ask would
died.
be like 230 or 225, which means you would have a 10 to a 15-point spread between, to where for you to be profitable, it would have to move 15 points for you to be break even, and then additionally. Whereas in futures, you have a very tight spread. So a 15-point movement on NQ, you're going to be up $300 if you're doing the future side. Whereas on CFD side, they're just now at break even. But CFD also has like a swap fees, where if you hold a position overnight, you can either get paid for it or they can either charge you for that position depending on the interest rate of that asset class or currency that you're trading. So both sides has some pros and cons, but there's way more pros on the future side, especially now that they've incorporated nanos, right? So like on the CFDs, you're doing one lot. One lot is the equivalence of doing one contract of NQ. But with NQ, you also have MNQ, which is a micro, right? So you could, so if you wanted to do, let's say, a half a lot, you would do 5 micros, right? So yeah, so those are the differences. But like I said, in my opinion, no shade to CFDs, but in my opinion, the better values on the future side because of the spread.
Indeed, indeed, indeed. And then people need to remember that, CFD means contract for differences. When you're trading futures, you're trading the actual contract, you're trading the actual product. Whereas CFDs is like a derivative of the product. When I mean the product, not the underlying. So when you're trading, gold, you're not trading the actual gold. It's a contract for gold, but the CFD is like a mirror image of that price action. So definitely. Make you CEO of the Fivers. Okay. So I don't quite understand this question, but I'll put it here. Can we open 3-4 buy and sell orders at support and resistance levels? Are you?
Yes, you can. So basically, it's like he's asking like if you spot support, right? So let's say currently on my chart, support is 31.54. Can they put buys and then sell orders. If you were to do it, it would have to be in the form of a bracket, because if you put individual buys here or individual sells at resistance, it would get you into a short, and then it would close out the position at the bottom of support if you set it up that way. If you do bracket orders, you could set a buy limit at the support, and where once it fills you, if it goes to resistance, it'll close out the position automatically. So yes, you can do that.
All right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Caesar's got you covered. I think Samir had some issues here with his internet, so he dropped off.
You're gonna have to tell me you're gonna need Starlings, my brother. Dude, it really works, bro. Like Starlings do, dude, you could be in the jungle and still have like high speed internet. It's crazy.
Interesting. I haven't used it yet, but I've heard good things about it. All right, guys. I'm basically taking the breakout. I've been slowly adding to this long here. This is the make or break area. This has to be sorry. This trade has to work pretty fast because it's the London close is coming. So the thesis is what we basically attempted to drop 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So this level, this area held. So call it 30,170 to 30,000. What is it? 150, 160, more or less. So I'm trying to see if we can go break higher, go retest these levels, right? Pull back and then push higher. Now we need to keep in mind that there is a support level around this area here. So I won't be too greedy today. My TP is not fixed. I just dragged it up here and then I'll decide where to take profits. My primary concern is managing the downside, managing the stop loss. But yeah, once we reach, call it 30,260s, if we do go there, then this is an area where we could see a possible sharp pullback. So we'll see. So far, we are pushing higher. The long is working. So we'll see if we get somewhat of a recovery or not. So let's see what we get. But we need relatively fast follow through on that. If we don't get fast follow through, then it's going to be a continuation sideways, right? So I'm not going to be too patient with this trade. This is a trade I'm going to hold for maybe another 10 minutes to give it time to work. And if it doesn't work within 10 minutes, and what I mean by work is go and test at least one of these levels. So go to at least 30,240. If that doesn't work, then this is a false breakout, right? It's called a breakout because it breaks and it continues and then there's follow through. If there's no follow through, then it's not a breakout, right? We could switch to a higher time frame, the 5 minute. So we've had 1 5-minute candle push up, sideways consolidation, and then this 5-minute candle push. So if we can't close above these within the next 5-10 minutes, then this is a false breakout. Sorry. And this was just inducing long, so literally inducing people like me and push lower. So every time you answer. You see, I can't talk today. Every time you answer a trade, every time you enter a trade, know where you're wrong immediately. I think you're muted, Alejandra. Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna grab some water. I'll be right back.
Go ahead.
Yeah, 1 hour is really turning. I don't like. Still somewhat forming a bear flag, but we'll see. This is just not the best price action, but it's not too horrible where you can't make nothing from it. So
yeah, we'll see.
Of the close of London.
We'll see. Yeah, I hope we get followed through because you know me, I like to hold trades for a little longer. I don't want to scalp. I want to hold it intraday for, at least 20, 30 minutes. So we'll see.
And
Usam
FYI, I'm
is
all out of
there.
my position. So there you go. Got your water. That's what I'm talking about.
And I got they watch.
Making sure. You know,
Yes,
saying,
indeed. I'm drinking the Hulk bottle. Where's a
what's
good
this?
positive tweet where you need it?
Let's see. What's this? Refund on the third payout.
Yeah. So on the third
Refund of
payout
what? Purchasing of the purchase.
of your so whatever you paid for your account, you get a refund on your third payout.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, so technically, if you're able to get that third payout, you got your account for free.
And the account scales up right in size with every payout, right?
Yeah. It scales up not with every payout, with every time you reach 10%.
10% of the account.
Yeah.
Is the increase by 10% or
It's
more?
5. So every
5%?
10% you make, it increases 5%.
Okay, let's go. That's really good.
So yes, indeed. There's just been a lot of technical glitches recently. So that's been the issue. All right, so we're seeing the hesitation here. We're seeing the downward pressure. So that is not really positive. That's not what I really want to see. So I'm going to limit the risk to just below that consolidation here. So we're going to risk about $200, 2 R's. And if we don't see, sometimes you get the breakout, you get a little bit of pullback like this, and then a reversion to the upside. So if we can't hold above these highs, then that's your classic false breakout. Unfortunately, I don't have my volume here. Let's put it up. Yeah, this is low volume, so this is not a quality. I didn't look at the volume, unfortunately. This is not a quality breakout. We should see that. We should have seen that push up, that follow through with volume, right? Kind of like what we got here, where we saw, these candles follow. But so far, this is not. It's not great.
And the video just turned around quickly.
Yeah, Nvidia's turning around.
Yep.
Coco saying, you suggest I pinch my nose so my words will stabilize. I don't know what's going on. I don't think I'm dreaming. I just can't talk today. Maybe I haven't had enough water. Let me have some more water.
How about rest? Are you rested?
I didn't have a great night, honestly. I didn't sleep very well. I slept early, but I got up multiple times. Just many things pending, many things to do. So I was just kind of getting ready for the week. I got to do this. I got to do that. I got to,
yeah, if you have a lot of tabs open, yeah, that's definitely gonna do, because like you're currently this, but you're probably like still processing other things. But yeah.
So yeah, that's probably why. All right, guys, this is a very good example of when a breakout is not A plus. So you're seeing it. We see online a lot of showcases of great setups and setups that work out immediately. Well, that's not often the case. So you're seeing it now.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't blame anyone if they just close this trade. It's just for my per the way I trade and per my psychology, I want to get stopped out here and be proven wrong. Because the worst thing is closing the trade because there's no follow through, and then this was just a little bit of profit taking and then it reverts back up. So I'd rather get stopped out than X out of this particular trade. So we'll see what happens. 5 minutes to go, guys.
Any last questions? Any comments, concerns? Feel free to ask.
Feel free. Oh, okay. There's a question here. Also, MNQ is mini or I guess micro?
It's micro, yeah. And MNQ is the micro. I have swing account. Can I hold overnight? I think the swing account is for equities, right?
No, swing is you can hold overnight. It's a futures account. You can hold
Oh,
overnight from Friday. I mean, from Sunday evening to Friday. You can't hold over the weekend. But we are one of the only firms that
for
allows you
real?
to hold futures. Yes, I've talked about it like 100 times, but whatever.
I thought it
Uh,
was for equities, bruh.
no, it's for futures. We have the futures accounts that you can hold overnight. The swing accounts.
Oh, we buying some accounts. What? So
So
you mean to tell me if I think that this thing is just gonna continue,
it's
I
yes,
can
you can hold. You need to close before Friday though, because if you don't close, you lose the account. But you can hold from Sunday evening Asian session to
wait to
Friday New York close.
Allah,
Yeah, and you
Allah.
close like 10 minutes before, and yeah, it should be good.
Gee, what? Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's see if this long works. We're so far pushing higher. We need follow through. It's going to be 11 o'clock though. So we need to be conscious of that. Let me see. Is my stop correct? Because that's the issue.
my question about buy and sells at support and resistance. My only point is it won't come into binding or layering category. What do you mean by
I don't understand what he's talking. I guess trades that are not permitted. Um, Here's what you can do, and I'll tell you. Just like Caesar said, if you're trading one asset, you're trading, for example, the micros, the MNQ, you can put buy orders and sell orders at whatever levels you want. Now you can't be counter trending, so you can't be, for example, long on the NQ and then short on the MNQ because basically that would be
a
what's it called?
hedge?
Hedging. Exactly. You can't do that, but you can do buys and sells on the same asset and put your orders there. That's not an issue at all. So hope this helps. What happened to Alejandra? She got to
She said she went to go get some water, but then
yeah, she
also she
never came
said that
back.
she got knocked out. Could be her, Wi-Fi, not her Wi-Fi, her hotspot kicked her off, but
Yeah.
I still see her chart. So
Yeah, her chart is there. Oh, okay. She told me she had to do something. All right, she just texted. It's fine. All right, guys, the trade
wow.
is starting to work. So very good. That's exactly what we want to see, and hopefully we see follow through on the London side. so, let's see if we get that follow through. And by the way, I'm going to remind you guys to go like the stream if you didn't like it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We are live every day at 9 o'clock. And before that, we do the pre-market prep often, Caesar and I, at 8:30. So about 30 minutes before the bell to get you ready for those markets. And best
Before
of
the
all,
live. Before the live.
Before the live. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because we go live at 9.
At 9, I said, yeah, exactly. And what was I going to say? Yeah, you get a chance to win 10 hub credits. We do a giveaway every single morning or almost every single morning for 10 hub credits. So, and you can win multiple times. So you guys make sure you come check that out. And on that note, the trade is green. We are recovering our loss of this morning. So we'll see if we get follow through. I plan on holding this if it works for a good other half hour. Oh, and here she is back right on time.
Sorry.
Right on time to end the stream.
Right on time to end the stream.
I knew this thing was gonna break out. Jeez.
Yes, indeed. I'm in the
cut it. Yeah, I mean that level I had was like perfect for a hold to go long. I don't know how high it's gonna go. I don't know if it's gonna go sweep that buy side liquidity. But either way, Dave, good job on taking that trade and trusting your plan.
Indeed.
Caesar and I think Caesar cut your short, right?
Yeah, I got stopped out on my runners. at 210. So I'm up a little over 1200 today.
Nice,
So
Okay.
nice, nice, nice.
Very
Nice,
good.
easy day. You deserve some fireworks. Well, I said easy, not easy. This was not an
yeah,
easy day. The other day was easy. You just
the
bought
other
and
day
then
was
went up.
yes, it was just in and
Yeah.
out. Yeah, so this was, took a little work. I mean, a little patience, but yeah, at least like today, I don't plan on being greedy or overstaying my welcome on one side, especially when it's just like it should have followed through, right? And the fact that it did is like, okay, we're probably gonna reset and maybe go higher, but
Yeah.
so I'm
There's a
happy.
there's a rule I have. If you have a plan and you have your levels drawn and you are looking for a specific move to happen, like for example, this morning we were all waiting for the movement to the downside to sweep the sell side liquidity. If it's not going any lower, we have two other options. It must go higher, right? If it doesn't go higher, then it's just going to consolidate sideways. In this case, what that downtrend line that I had, I said if it breaks out of it on a retest, it should go higher and hold that 1 minute fair value gap, and it literally held it to the T. So
Indeed, indeed,
I did
indeed,
not take
indeed.
that long. I had to jump on a phone call, so yeah, sorry.
How do you get hub credits on a live stream? So you get hub credits if you join the pre-market analysis on Discord from 8:30 Eastern to 9 a.m. Eastern. So just before we end the pre-market stream on Discord, Dave will throw the individuals' names that attended it on a wheel, spin it, and whoever wins gets the hub credits.
Exactly. It's like your lottery ticket. But you
Right.
have to be in the Fivers Futures Discord, all right? Not the CFD Discord, the Fivers Futures Discord. And to be on the Discord, you need a futures account. So just go into your hub, get an account, and you will have the link to join the Discord, and then you can win hub credits almost every day of the week.
Yep.
So that's it, guys. That's it. It is 11:03. The trade is looking very good, very, very good. So I haven't even checked where I want to take profits yet, but it's going to be somewhere around this resistance area for the oh my god, prior support area is where I'm going to take my profits. I can't talk today.
280s, 283.
Yeah, maybe even sooner, maybe 270s. That would, I'm long 5, so maybe I'll take 1 or 2 partials and then, leave the rest out for the ego trade. Take the payroll there and then take the bonus after. I'll figure out
Yeah.
post stream.
Hell yeah. All right.
Thank
Cool.
you guys
Alrighty.
for joining the stream.
Yeah.
See you guys
Midnight-
tomorrow.
Midnight
Tomorrow.
Audio. See you guys
Bye.
tomorrow, bright and early.
Yes, yes.